Hello, welcome back. You've got Scott here from Jarhead and Ginger's Journey, and as you can see I am in the kitchen, so that can only mean one thing. We are going to be Traegering today. Today we are making something new. It's a type of appetizer, I would say, and we're calling it cheesy bacon bites. Stay tuned. Alright, for the cheesy bacon bites, as you can see here in the bowl, I already have everything mixed up in there. It's cream cheese, regular cheese, some herbs and spices, and some chilies. If you want to see the full recipe, I'm going to put it at the end of this video. It'll scroll through, so you guys will be able to write all the ingredients and all the temperatures and everything down. So if you guys want to make these later on, that'll be at the end. So stay tuned till the end so you can get the recipe. So I've started these already, and basically what it is, Allison likes the little round sausages that come in a package that are looped. So I've cut those into about 1/2-inch sections, and I have bacon, thick cut bacon, and it takes about a 1/2 strip of bacon per one of these. We're going to make them into these little cups or shot glass looking size, and then we're going to stuff them with this cheese mixture. It's kind of like doing deviled eggs. I've got the 2 spoons there, and I just put a little bit of the mixture in, and then we're going to go out and put them on the Traeger. Alright, so it's very easy. I take one of the pieces of sausage there. Let me get some more toothpicks. So I take one piece of the sausage and put it flat on the cutting board here. I'll take a 1/2 piece of the bacon, or 1/2 slice actually, and we'll just wrap it around there. And then we use the toothpick. That one was a little thin. We'll use the toothpick to hold it together. Make sure you get good thick cut bacon, because that, like you just showed, that one there was a little bit thin, and it didn't want to wrap around there at all. And I go ahead and I put the toothpick all the way through, so it comes out on both sides. Just that way I know for sure it's going to hold. Also, you want to make sure that the bacon goes through both, where the bacon overlaps. You want to put the toothpick through both of those pieces of bacon. So this is what it looks like prior to you filling it. And then, like I said, I just take the two spoons, get a little teaspoon or so on the spoon, and use the other spoon to push it off into the little bacon cup. Alright, and then that's what it looks like when it's filled. So I'm going to fill the rest of these, and then we'll go ahead and show you what they look like once we get them onto the Traeger. We'll also show you coming up what they look like when they come off the Traeger, and that's going to be the better part. Hopefully between now and the time we take these bad boys off the Traeger, they'll have smell-o-vision for you guys. Alright, so stay tuned also to the end for the recipe for this. This is going to be excellent. Now all the cheesy bacon bites are stuffed and ready to go on the Traeger. We have preheated it to 325, so we're just going to lift the lid, put them all in there on the grate itself, and then we're going to cook it for about 30 minutes, come out and check it. We want to make sure that the bacon is done and crispy, and then we'll let it sit for a few minutes and enjoy. Stick around till the end. You're not going to want to miss this one. Okay, they're all on there. You may also notice the meatloaf is there. This isn't another meatloaf. This is the same one from the video you saw earlier on our meatloaf video. If you haven't checked that out, go look at it after we're done here with these cheesy bacon bites. These are going to be great. Okay, so we're out here to take off the cheesy bacon bites, and it's been about 40 minutes now. I did come out and check them at 30 minutes. They weren't quite done. We did have a couple that bubbled up a little bit, and so we'll see that here in a second. But we're going to go ahead and pull them off now and take them in. You're supposed to let them sit for about 10 minutes and cool a little bit, and then we'll show you what they look like. So stay tuned just for another second or two, and we'll be eating these things. It's going to be great. Here we are, done with the cheesy bacon bites. They've sat here now for about 10 minutes. So I am going to go ahead and give them a try and let you know what they're like. They do smell very, very good. I wish you could, you were here and you could actually smell these. But I'm going to go ahead and take out the toothpick. I got a little one here. Oh man, that's really, really good. You start with the bacon, and then you get the cheese, and then at the end you have that little piece of sausage that's still there. So you get all three of those like in separate, at separate times when you eat these things. Man, that's good. I think I might have made a mistake. I don't think these are an appetizer. I think these might be a main course. They are very, very good. But hey guys, if you like this video, and I hope you did, go ahead and subscribe and click the little bell notification. That way you're notified of the next time I'm going to do a little Traegering. Thanks for coming. We'll see you next time on Jarhead and Ginger's Journey. Bye. Stay tuned. You think bacon shots? We never talked about it. Cheesy bacon bites. It's not shots. You've got Scott here from Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.
Hey, how about